What up, guys? Another video today. Today we're gonna. Really, Nick? Couldn't wait for me? Oh shit! Yeah, my buddy's here to help me, and he can't fucking wait for me to sit down and eat. So. Alrighty guys, as you can see, I came up on a Sparco Seat. Kind of fell in my lap. A dude hit me up on Instagram and wanted to trade for an Xbox Series X that I had for sale. Obviously I did the trade. I have a seat. So we're gonna fill this bad boy in along with some other goodies. I have a new radio cage frame. Throw in. And also stud kit. So it should be good. Get to work. Frame. So this slides in the track, and this seat belt needs to attach on the inside, just like that. So we're going to try to get that bolt out and bolt it up here. These are the bolts for the 4-point harness that I don't have. We're just gonna tighten these bitches down so they don't rattle. So we took these bolts out because they were not working out as far as clearance on the bottom part. Alright, so these go in just fine, but we're having issues for clearance. This rug is not allowing the front bolts to line up, so we're going to cut all this. We're going to make a insertion in the rug right here and right here, little flap to fold it back and have enough clearance for the mount. ratcheting wrenches are the shit. I'm so low. Okay. Okay.
So I noticed this one day when I took my wheels off. If it doesn't jump out at you, it should, because I was using the wrong style of lug bolts. I was using ball C style, which were the stock lug nuts, but the wheels that I got needed conical or cone type. If you look closely, you can see where the wrong type made very little contact with the wheel. It's a good habit to get into to double check your work and everybody else's work. And of course, we got the right style this time.
This shit was in upside down. So I changed my cruise control, or my turn signal stalk, because it was giving me issues when I was in cruise control and I had my turn signal on. It would kick me off cruise control. So that's why I changed my stalk. It works perfectly now.
this one. Thanks for tuning in. All in all, the seat's awesome. I'm glad I did the deal. Shout out to Stanton. Enjoy that Xbox. If you couldn't tell, I'm a little tall, so I'm still figuring out the perfect seating adjustment. Also, I ordered a resistor for the airbag light that came on, but other than that, it's fantastic. It's the sturdiest thing in the car. The wheel studs look great. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Okay, fine. One more. You guys should also subscribe. You're not going to want to miss my next video. It has something to do with these little guys. And these guys. Oh, and these guys too. Front? Or the back?